Welcome to this Wood Solutions campus presentation on glue laminated timber products. This presentation looks at the products that are available, their major applications, and the grades and controlling standards that influence their use. Solid glue laminated timber is sawn and other timber products glued together to form larger, more structurally reliable timber elements. The timber sections are often joined along their length first, then assembled into the larger element. These can be linear beam or column elements or large panel elements used for appearance applications, architectural structures where the timber structure is seen as part of the building's design, or general structural use in floor, wall or roof framing.
This product is a glue laminated beam. What that means is it's lots of small pieces joined together, glued together, and clamped under pressure to form a big piece, a big structural beam. In the case of a glulam beam, the two outside laminations are always of a higher grade than the ones in the middle. They're of a lower grade.
This is glue laminated hardwood that could be used for either structural or appearance applications. Each laminate is a high-grade piece as strength reducing characteristics are generally removed. It could be used as either a beam or as a high-grade benchtop. Glue laminated softwood is similar, though this is more of a structural product. In this piece, a finger joint is evident on one face. Again, it is a series of laminates glued together to form a larger and more useful element. Glue laminated timber has key performance characteristics. Large section sizes and long lengths can be manufactured in a range of species. Both standard and custom sections can be made, and these can be curved or straight. Glulam elements are stronger than solid timber of the same size, and can come in much larger sizes that are available from sawn timber. Glulam is dimensionally stable, and it is easy to work with standard carpentry tools, and it is also available as a structural and appearance product. These three projects show some of the range for glue laminated products. The first is a very large factory building, where large glulam elements are used as columns, rafters and purlins. The whole building is about 60 metres wide. The second application is a school hall. Here the architects have converted simple factory construction into something a bit more interesting. While the glulam is seen as part of the design, it is predominantly structural elements. The last application is a large general commercial building where glulam elements are being used in combination with other timber products, such as nail-plated trusses and timber wall frames. Glulam can just as easily be used as an appearance material. This is glue laminated hardwood in a stair. This is glulam material used in a high-grade handrail. Here, thin timber laminates have been glued together in a curve for the countertop of a bar. Glue laminated elements can be made to standard production sizes and grades, or they can be produced to larger sizes to suit particular projects. Standard structural sizes for glulam include 35 and 45 mm material to the normal sizes of sawn structural product, so they are simple replacement in the market. Standard large sizes include 65, 85 and 115 mm material. Most steps for 65 mm material is commonly available up to 420 mm. A similar size range is available for 85 mm material and for 115 mm wide material. These are pretty hefty pieces of wood. Product-specific grades exist for structural glue laminated beams. Known as GL grades, these define the material's characteristics, structural performance in design. Like the F grade system, a higher number in the grade denotes a stronger piece. Glulam is manufactured to a range of standards as shown here. Standards for structural timber are particularly important as structural applications are all regulated and compliance is mandatory. There are also standards covering preservative treatment of glulam and production for non-structural applications. In summary, glue laminated timber is sections of sawn timber glued together to form larger, more structurally reliable timber elements. These products are available for a range of structural or appearance applications. They can be made to standard production sizes and grades or larger sizes to suit particular projects. Finally, GL grades are the specific performance grades for structural glue laminated beams.